Might be time to switch it on up and throw a shrimp for a little bit. Yep. Let's switch it on up. So I'm switching to a voodoo shrimp, guys. Put a little Pro-Cure on it. Let's get ready to rumble. Here we go. It's another small one though. I don't know. What? It's a flounder. You gotta be kidding me. Awesome. I've been wanting a flounder so bad. And I finally caught one. Holy smokes. That is pretty awesome. I finally caught a flounder, guys. I've been trying to catch these things for the longest. What's the size limit?
Oh, 12.
Oh, ho, ho, ho. I might have me a flounder dinner. I sure do. This bad mamma jamma is 13 and a half, baby. So look, guys, my first flounder I've caught here in Florida on a kayak, and he is a keeper. So pretty excited. Was not the targeted species, but he is definitely going to make dinner. You get to go home with me, buddy. You get to go home with me.
It depends on the area.
Yeah.
Total length.
Gotta let you go, buddy. ½ inch too short.
Sorry, my length.
Well, let me measure him again just to make sure. Yep, he is 13 and a half. So you don't get to go home with me. But thank you for the catch, big guy. That was fun. You gotta let go of my bait though. Let go, dude. All right. See you later. Oh my gosh! I'm coming!